Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a lovely and creative art that people have enjoyed for many years. It is a simple way to decorate fabric using a needle and colorful threads. Many people love hand embroidery because it is handmade and very special. Embroidery can be used to decorate many things like dresses, shirts, pillow covers, tablecloths, bed sheets, and even bags. With simple stitches like certain stitches is very important. One popular embroidery design is the flower pattern. Flowered embroidery always looks elegant and attractive. You can create roses, daisies, sunflowers, or small flower designs. Flower embroidery is often used on dresses, scarves, and home decoration items. Bright colors like red, pink, yellow, and green make the flowers look very lively and beautiful. Another lovely idea is a leaf embroidery design. Leaves are simple but very stylish. They are often used with flower designs to complete the pattern. Leaf embroidery looks natural and graceful on many fabric. The border embroidery design is also very popular. In this style, embroidery is added along the edges of the fabric. For example, you can add embroidery on the border of a dupatta, a tablecloth, on a pillow cover. Border embroidery makes simple fabric look more elegant and decorative. Another beautiful style is the traditional embroidery design. Many cultures have their own embroidery patterns and techniques. These designs are often detailed and colorful. Traditional embroidery looks wonderful on cultural dresses and special outfits. There is also simple line embroidery. This style uses clean and simple lines to decorate, create shapes and patterns. It looks modern and neat. Linen fabric linen embroidery is perfect for people who like simple and minimal designs. Hand embroidery uses many different stitches. Some common stitches are the running stitch, seam stitch, satin stitch, and cross stitch. Each stitch creates a different texture and design on the fabric. The running stitch is one of the easiest stitches and the perfect for beginners. The chain stitch creates a beautiful chain-like pattern that is often used for outline and borders. The satin stitch is used it full shapes like flowers and leaves, giving them a smooth and shiny look. Choosing the right thread colors is also very important in embroidery. Bright colors make the design look cheerful and lively, while soft colors create a calm and elegant style. You can also mix different colors to make your embroidery more creative.